Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and this video is about this saying, for the birds. For the birds. For the birds is a saying that is used when you want to say that something is really bad, something is worthless, something is rubbish, in other words. Okay, if someone tells a joke and that joke is not funny, if you say that is for the birds, means that is not funny, that is rubbish, that is not interesting, not nothing. Okay, or a film is for the birds, it's not interesting, it's not valuable. Okay, something that is not valuable, interesting, funny, or value, worth watching or worth trying. So that in these cases, instead of saying it's not uh, worth it, we just say it is for the birds. Okay, so that's another way of saying it's not worth it, or it is worthless. It is not interesting. Okay, we say that is for the birds. Okay, so something is for the birds, or was for the birds. So whatever we put over there, then for the birds as the object of the sentence means the same thing. Okay, let's look at these examples. This TV program is for the birds. I'm going to bed. So the person is not going to continue watching this program, this TV program, and wants to leave. Then shows that this is not interesting for the person. This person doesn't like it, feels that it is not worth it, and doesn't worth the time, and prefers going to bed. So another way of saying that it is not interesting, not valuable, not I don't know, whatever, it is not worth it, then we say it's for the birds. So that is for the birds. In this case, as I told you, this is used as the object of the sentence. So TV program's object, verb, and then this object means rubbish. Okay. I went to a theater and found out that that was for the birds. Over here I've got two that's and one is the relative pronoun. I found out that, and then that goes back, refers back to the theater. Okay, I went to a theater and I found that the theater was for the birds. So instead of saying the theater again, I have used that over here. I went to a theater and I found out that was for the birds. I left in the middle of the play. So the person finds that this theater is not worth the time watching it, so leaves in the middle. So that instead of saying it was rubbish, it was worthless, the person says found was for the birds. Okay, that the theater was again verb and then the object for the birds. Okay, means not valuable. I hate homework. Homework is for the birds. That might be your opinion as well. I don't know. I don't think so. Anyway, the person over here says the person feels that homework is rubbish. Homework is, instead of saying rubbish, says for the birds. Okay, so for the birds can be the other way of saying rubbish, worthless, and all other things. Okay, hope this has been helpful and you've learned this. But before leaving, I better tell you this is a bit old-fashioned and is not used as much as it used to. It goes back to the time that the horses were used on the road, and at the moment, it's a long time ago, and from that, it's a long time from that time, so it is not used as much, and is not. It is, let's say, old-fashioned. Some even native speakers might not know the meaning. So it's not bad to know, but it is not bad to know also that it is not very common. Okay, so you might use it in some places, but do not use it too much. All right. So this was today's video. Hope you have enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.